Hi and welcome back to the channel, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you inside your control panel. So in the previous video we went to the form where we put his username and password in, and then when you've done that you would actually obviously log into your control panel. If you're still using the site builder, which is in video 1, then that's okay. Still have a look around that and try that out. And also, if you come over to the Good Web Business Hosting and scroll right down to the very bottom of the page, as you'll know, this is the link for the site builder, but also you can click here to see the demo account panel as well, and that can give you a better idea what to expect if you decide to take the hosting, domain and website builder on. If I click on that, it would normally ask you to log in. Click the login button and then you'll come into here. So this is the basic panel. Like I say, the difference is there's a little bit more obviously in the paid for control panel, but you can have a look around, you can have a play around, you can look at your domains, what domains are available, you can click on all these links, emails. You can actually set an email up in here and just see how it all actually works. Files, it will take you over to File Manager, and you can click on any of these links really and just have a good look round. Now this is the control panel that you'll get as if you have paid hosting. You've got installers, so click on these. Web tools, in the paid one obviously that's where the software will be. But it's the software that you're using on the demo site builder. Statistics, you can click on these as well, advanced, and then we've got all these in here to use. So like when we, if you forward in a domain or anything like this, you can, anyway, have a play around. It's here for you to actually use and see how it all works. So you can look down this side, different account details. So if we go over to the paid for account, which is this one here, again, as you can see, it's more or less the same really. If you haven't verified your email address, then you can click on here and then just verify it. You've got settings, so you can set your theme up, things like that. We can log into the webmail account here as well as logging in here. Any current promotions on, you'll see there. Again, like I say, what the tabs you've seen at the top, your tabs you're going to see here. You can look at your statistics, so you can see how many is hit the website, and you can click on any of these links here. And also your invoice will be at the bottom, how much you've paid. And then if we look up this side, this will show you all the account usage, your domains. If you want to renew your plan after the year, then you can see that here. So basically that is your control panel. And on the next video, what I'll do, I'll show you how to set an email address up and basically take you over these links. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.